What's up, everybody? Mikey Wudz here, the man behind the cam with Freshest Art. Today, I'm going to show you how to put a ring on a planet. Paint box. And we'll throw the phone in the saddle, and let's get going. Outline my planet stencil, get it all ready, and then let's throw some colors down. We'll throw a little bit of orange down here. Oh, wait, red. Then we'll throw a little bit of orange down. There we go. That makes more sense, doesn't it? And let's throw some pink. Make sure you go outside a little ways where your planet rings are going to be. That way we got a little bit of color on them too. There we go. Let's throw a little bit of purple. Ooh, I like that purple. Man, it does look pretty good. And yellow. And do we leave it like that? Let's burn it and see how it looks. We're leaving it like that. Now let's throw a little bit of shadow around the outside of it. Shadow around the outside. Highlight on this side. There we go. And one more time. Whoops. Burn it, boy. Woo, 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 woo. Now let's cool down a little bit. Okay, now let's throw our planet stencil down. And let's make outer space. Make sure you get all around that stencil. Cool, cool, cool. And let's throw a little bit of navy blue on there too. And we'll just throw a little bit more of this on there. Bam. Now we got to, we gotta put some glow on our planet. Let's put some pink glow on there. How about just a wee bit of red glow? Wee bit of red glow. Here, throw some of that all around there too. Cool, man. How about some purple glow? A little bit of purple glow. And of course, we gotta hit it with some yellow glow. Yellow glow. Now, I'm gonna go and put a few seaside stars out here. Yeah, look at that. Seaside stars. Seaside, seaside, seaside. Now we're gonna throw some regular stars out here. A lot of stars. Star, 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 star. I like a lot of stars. I like to make sure and build some constellations. Constellations. What we got? You see the Little Dipper yet? We got the Little Dipper yet? We need more stars then. More stars till we get the Little Dipper. There we go. I think we got a Little Dipper in there somewhere, don't we? I don't know, but that's got to be enough stars for this one. Let's see what happened here. Ready? 1, 2, and let go of it. 3. Hey, you know what? I like it. So the purpose of this tutorial is right here. We'll spray quite a bit of clear coat down, and then we'll take just a piece of poster board, and I just fold it in half a few times and put some tape around it. And you're gonna take it, and you're gonna go right up on the edge of this, and whoop it. Look at that. Now we're gonna try to go about the same spot over here. Do the same thing. Try to make them meet as best you can. Boom, now I think that's a pretty good looking ring on that planet. So I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna sign my name. NW with an arrow pointing up. 2 circles. Cool, man. Now I'm going to let's put a starburst right here. We got a little bit of funky where we got some bleed through our planet stencil. So we'll just throw a starburst right there, and we won't even be able to see it no more. Just like that. That looks good again. Hey, so let's throw a starburst up here. Nice. How about one more? We need one more somewhere. Let's put a little one right here. There we go. I like that. So now I always put shooting stars on my paintings. I can't do a painting without shooting stars. So I'm gonna fold this up and make what I call the talker. Talk to you. Wop, wop, wop. Wop, 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 wop. All right. Now let's get some shooting stars. Then you're just gonna hit that right here and let the overspray do it for you. 1. Group them up. 2. 3. Let's put 1 right here. 1 right there. Another 1 right there. Bam. Bam. About. Bam. Uh-oh. That one got a little funky. So we'll just go outside of it a little ways. Bam. Looks good. Looks good, man. Looks good. So one thing left to do. Let's clear coat it. And burn it, boy. Woo. All right. Flip the can. And there we go, man. That's how you put a ring on a paper. A ring on a planet. Spray paint art. Make sure you hit that follow button or subscribe for whatever we're doing here, whichever channel that we're on, and stay fresh.